investing in 2026. We're excited.
Yes,
New year, new opportunities.
Yep.
So we're just closing out 2025 with this tax season that we're in, taking a look at the overall investments that we had, money that we made that we lost, deductions that we can take. Make sure you work with your accountant, tax preparer, bookkeeper, etc., to get all of your numbers straight and get it all legal and above board,
and your legal depreciation.
Get those out of the way for 2025. We're now looking at 2026, and usually the way we like to strategize our overall investment and profit and loss is trying to get to as close to zero as possible regarding paying taxes. So we like to basically maximize the year, and then if something is owed, we just pay it outright. Other people like to make sure that they're contributing towards their potential tax. So at the end of the year, when tax season rolls around, they're actually getting a refund. Some people like that refund as just kind of a bonus check that they get. They can use it for a vacation or paying off debt or, whatever, have some fun with it. But we like to...
We don't like refund. We don't like tax refunds.
We're not big on refunds because we think that, basically you're giving it to the government for free. But
if we got a refund, then that means we paid too much the previous
that is
months.
What it means.
Because you're getting a refund, that means you overpaid. And I don't like to overpay and wait for my money to come back to me.
In hopes that the money's going to come back to you.
Yeah, but that's just our...
That's our strategy. That's what we try to do. But we have money set aside in case we have to pay. And yeah, we've had to pay taxes in the last several years, but we've kind of allocated that, and we can manage that. So anyway, looking at 2026, we're trying to do the same, set ourselves up for success, and trying to diversify as we did in the previous years. Have a little bit in real estate. You're getting back into stock trading and options.
And just 30 seconds or so, real estate is a very broad category.
It is.
We're diversifying in real estate too, because not any one strategy is all encompassing. Every strategy has got pros and cons. So in real estate, we're doing a little bit of multifamily again this year. We still doing a little bit of lending. Along the diversification lines, even in real estate, you need to look at different opportunities in real estate, because real estate is very broad. Same thing in the stock market. There's different things in the stock market. George and Ron, if you've seen us on our 3i Best podcast, we're doing a couple different things in the stock market this year. Doing something called the Wheel Strategy, WHEEL. Go online and research it. If you've got any questions, drop us a comment. We're looking at long-term leaps, which I've known about, but we've never done before. So we're starting to investigate and get into that. Your annuities. We're a couple of years into annuities, something you can't touch for another 8 years or so. So it's put aside. You can't get to it without some penalties, which we don't like penalties.
No, we don't. So if I don't have it to put aside, I'm not going to put it aside, because I don't want to use it as an emergency fund and then have to pay to get the money out. But yeah, it's done really well. We've got a financial advisor, and he is taking care of us. And
but that's a long-term deal.
Got some long-term investments, short-term investments. So we've got cash flow on the ones that are not annuity or retirement funds. Those are working for us regarding the long-term. And then we have investments, other investments that we're doing that are providing us cash flow.
So short-term cash flow, just enough to pay the bills and keep the machine oiled and running. And then the extra goes into long-term stuff, so that if we ever get old,
Yes,
we might
because I
get-
know it's coming. Yeah, we feel it sometimes.
It may
We're
be,
getting there.
it may be there to tap into once we get old, but that, you know, that's our philosophy. We're the tortoise in the hare fable, just slow and steady.
Yeah.
Not looking for huge gains overnight, but a little bit here and there. Keep it fun, keep it entertaining.
Yeah.
Keep the machine running, and
speaking of old, you know, for seniors in calendar year 2026, you should also see some benefits regarding Social Security.
Yep.
All that, I believe, takes effect or has taken effect as of January 1. So for those that haven't already done it and they don't want to get a huge refund at the end, you may want to go into your Social Security account and you can either reduce or maybe even go down to zero contributions to your to the federal income tax and or state the withholding from your check every month, and then you actually get a bigger check every month. Now, don't do that unless you talk to your tax professional or your advisor, financial advisor.
Because we're not
to
giving
make
tax
sure.
advice. We're just letting you know there's other options out there.
But I would think that is a safe thing that you can do, is at least reduce it, because the Social Security portion of your income should now have a zero tax liability, I believe, or they're offsetting it with I think it's like a $6,000 deduction or something of that nature for seniors.
And you got to pay attention. She said the Social Security portion of your income.
Yes.
So if you're out there doing other jobs and making more money,
that's still taxable.
You're still going to be taxed on it. So it's the Social Security portion of your income. You're going to get a tax break.
Yeah, I mean that. Yeah. So anyway, not to get into too much detail about that, but exciting stuff going on there. And, you know, we might see other deductions that we can all take advantage of, senior or not, that might be coming through the pipeline thanks to the Trump administration. I know they're looking at several things. So, yeah, 2026 is looking exciting. Let us know topics that you want to talk about, things that are in your way, anything that you may want to ask us, let us know. And if you're into AI or you're already using it, maybe you even have a clone, let us know. We'd love to have you on as a guest, because we do want to learn more about that space.
Love to learn more about that space. If you're into e-commerce, if you've written books and you enjoy that, putting them out, if you're a music teacher, what are you guys doing? How are you making the life more enjoyable? Using your skills and assets and your knowledge base to make either a regular income or just a side hustle.
What brings you joy for 2026?
What brings you joy and a little bit of money?
And a little bit of cash. Yeah.
Let us know.
Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe.
And share.